Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody! Today we're going to draw G from Alphabet Lore. I hope you'll follow along with me. All you'll need is a black marker and anything to color with. Let's get started! Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. We want to make sure that we draw here kind of in the center of the paper so we don't go off the page. We're going to start up here and we're going to draw a little line down, and then we're going to come down around like this, and we're going to, right about here, we're going to start turning. So we're going to turn this way and come down, and then right here we're going to curve up and then back in. Perfect. We'll come down, curve around, back up, and then right about here we're going to stop because now we want to draw the face. So let's draw this first little eye, and then we're going to draw a bigger eye right next to it. Inside the eye, we're going to draw the eyelids, and then fill in the pupils looking to the side. Now, this G has a lip coming off right there, and then a curve for a smile. Now we're going to draw a curved rectangle, just like that, for its teeth, and then draw a couple lines inside, just like that. Next, let's come up above the eye and close off that shape. Perfect. And there we have the outline for our G. Now it's the fun part. We get to color him in. So I'm going to take this purple marker, and first I'm going to fill in the whole body. But I want to make sure I skip the eyes and the teeth. We want to leave those white. Perfect. Now I think I'm going to come back. We're going to do a little purple on the eyelids, but I'm also going to come in with some yellow. And then on top of the yellow, I'm going to do some blue. I'm going to push a little harder on the blue and make it really blue. And come back in with the purple on top. It was really hard to mix it. Perfect. I'm gonna come back with my blue, and I'm gonna use it as kind of a shadow there under the teeth, and then a little bit coming down here on the side. A little bit here. Perfect. And there we have G.
Yay!
Wow, that looks really great. If you need to, you can always watch the video again and pause it so you can keep practicing. I hope you'll come back really soon and draw with me more. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box videos.